Guys, welcome back to our visitors. So I'm just trying to demonstrate how LS can be set for our MWD magic level indicator. Now this indicator actually give an alert if the price cross all the four levels or if the price cross downside on all the four levels, right? On the CE side or the PE side. So it doesn't matter where these levels are, but crossing all four levels on either side should give an alert. That is the idea. Now the price is 3840 where there is a 3839. So I'm actually want to set an alert to demonstrate, okay, the PE side alert, how it will be coming, okay? So just go here, select the alert, and then select the indicator. And I'm not going to change anything, same as I'm actually in 30 minutes time frame. Now, what kind of a message you want to see? So just say alert, write some name here, and then the kind of a notification you want. I don't want any webhook URL. So this is mainly to post it to something else, like Google Sheets or somewhere else. Okay. So now I just create the price is at 3840. Okay, create. If the price comes down, then alert will trigger, right? So this is 3839.5 is a value and 3840 is what the current price. Now we set it in the 30 minutes and let's see what happens. We'll go deep inside and a 5 minutes or a 15 minutes to see whether the price will change. This is a live market, which is exactly at 1 o'clock now. And probably the next candle are. Meanwhile, we will see. Okay, so you can see there is an alert here. Alert is triggers. PE side cross happened because the price actually came down. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All you need to do is actually load that indicator. Actually, you don't. I don't want you to get confused. But let me remove this log part. Okay, so you load the indicator. Let me go back to 15 minutes for a better view. You had a monthly levels, weekly levels are displayed. You just click on alert. On that particular symbol, you select our indicator and then just say create. And it will create alert and you get a pop-up notification. Okay. So this is the easiest way of doing it. And there is another way of doing these alerts on, suppose if you create a list of your favorite instruments, for example, like you like some stocks where you want to set an alert on this. All you need to do is just open any instrument and add the indicator, alert indicator, and click on alert. Go here, select. Okay, so now why I had one crypto here? Because crypto is the list. You can see the crypto here, right? I added so many instruments here under crypto. I can actually select the list crypto and then I need to do select the same the condition, which is the indicator name, and you don't need to worry about any of these. Now here you give an easy name like alert list. Okay, create this and then you just create. Once you create, you go and see it, you will have, okay. So there is another P side again, second time. Okay. So this alert happens on the list. Any instruments under this, if either an PE side or a CE side, if there is a cross happens, then you will get the alert. Okay, so this is pretty easy, straightforward this. Okay, yeah. Hope this clarifies, and you don't need to do anything because this you can set it on a individual instrument or a list of instruments where you created one. It's a group basically, right? So you can create it on a list or a single instrument. Get in touch with me at 949424622. Yeah, thank you.